Imagine this, bro. A world where humans no longer control their jobs. Machines decide who works and who doesn't. Sounds like a movie, right? But this isn't fiction. It's already becoming reality. Experts say that by 2030, AI will have taken over 800 million jobs. That means 4 out of every 10 people will have lost their work to machines. Shocked? Wait, there's more. AI isn't just taking repetitive jobs, it's now coming after creative and intelligent roles too. Copywriters, designers, even coders, all being challenged by AI. Reports say that by 2030, AI will completely change customer service, accounting, and the transport industries. Just imagine, bro. You walk into a restaurant, and instead of a waiter, an AI robot serves you. You apply for a job, and you're rejected, not by a human, but by an algorithm. Sounds crazy. It's happening right now. In the USA, giants like Amazon and Tesla are already using thousands of AI robots in their warehouses. One robot works 24 hours a day. No salary, no breaks, no complaints. And when such robots exist, human jobs naturally start disappearing. But bro, it's not all dark. Some experts say AI is taking jobs, but it's also creating new ones. AI prompt engineers, data trainers, robotics technicians, these are the jobs of the new world. So, if you evolve with AI, the future is yours. But if you ignore it, game over. The question isn't whether AI will take jobs or not. The real question is, are you ready or not? This world is shifting from human control to data and algorithms. Every skill, every profession will need to adapt. Those who understand AI will lead. Those who ignore it will be left behind. Think about it, bro. If one day AI becomes your boss, what will your role be? Will you compete with machines or learn to work with them? By 2030, the world will look completely different. And that's exactly what FutureVerse is here to show you. How to survive, how to stay smart, and how to secure your future in this AI-driven world. If you believe AI is going to change everything, hit that like button, comment, "I am ready for the future," and bro, don't forget to subscribe, because here on FutureVerse, you'll get the most shocking and mind-blowing future documentaries. First, welcome to FutureVerse, where the future begins now.